Oh, I see they fixed the floor indicator finally. They had been out for like, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 years. Well, I'm glad they finally decided to do that. Although it is a basic SHITler. Doesn't run that bad. But it did re-level with the jolt, like the middle one usually does. Let's get a cab view. Has handprints. Bonus points. How handy is that? I have to say, these are smoother than the Village at Allen's ones. And we're not going to be listening to the machine room because I cannot easily access it. Although I have listened to it before, I had Well send this thing away for me at one point.